ISA is one of the most powerful well-building tools available in the UK, but major changes are being proposed that could shake things up in a big way. Some good, some not so great. In this video, I will talk about the latest updates, how they might affect you, and what you should be aware of moving forward. What is an ISA? An ISA, individual savings account, is a tax-efficient wrapper that lets you invest without paying income or capital gains tax. We have four types of ISAs: stocks and shares ISA, cash ISA, innovative finance ISA, and the lifetime ISA. Each year, you can invest up to £20,000, but that's spread across all four types. And don't forget the junior ISA, an often overlooked gem if you have kids. Changes to ISA limits. How the £20,000 limit works: currently it is use it or lose it system. But there is a proposal of letting you carry forward unused allowances for up to 3 years, just like pensions. This will be a huge win, especially for those who don't max out their ISA every year. I would put this in the good change category. Multiple ISAs. Another change is that since April, you can now open multiple ISAs of the same type in the same tax year. Yes, this is a game changer. You could keep your long-term index funds in one account and trade individual stocks in another, all while staying under the £20,000 annual limit. Capping ISA allowances. A disaster waiting to happen. But not all changes are good news. There is a speculation of capping ISA balances at £100,000, meaning any contributions over that amount might be taxed. This is frankly a terrible idea. It could seriously diminish the ISA's attractiveness as a tax-efficient investment. Let's hope this one stays as just a proposal. Scrapping the British ISA. You may have heard about the proposed British ISA, an extra £5,000 allowance for investing in UK companies. Well, it's officially scrapped, and honestly, it was a bad idea from the start. Most people don't even max out their regular £20,000 allowance, so adding another £5,000 specifically for UK stocks, pointless. The good news. Fractional shares are finally being allowed in ISAs. This means you don't need hundreds of pounds to buy a single share of big companies. You can start small, say with just £50, and still build a diversified portfolio. This change is expected to roll out by September 30th. Closing loopholes. Lastly, for parents, the junior ISA loophole allowing teens to stash away up to £29,000 has been closed. Not a huge deal for most, but worth mentioning if you were using this strategy. The Labour Party has indicated they want to simplify ISAs, which is good, but before they do that, we need better financial education. People won't use ISAs if they don't understand the value of investing. Simplicity is great, but knowledge is power. ISA remains one of the most vital tools in your wealth building toolkit. The key takeaway is don't sleep on your ISA contributions. Every tax-free pound counts.